All right, we're trying to figure out how many books do the three of them have together in terms of D. In terms of D just means my answer will have a D in it. So David has D books, and which is 3 times as many as Jeff. Okay, who has more books, David or Jeff? I'm going to try to write all these in terms of D. David has D books, and that's 3 times as many as Jeff. So that means David has more, so that means Jeff would have 1/3 the amount of D. Okay, and half as many as Paula. So that means Paula's got more books. So Paula would be 2 times D. And how many books do the three of them have altogether in terms of D? Well, let's just add them together. That's D plus 1/3 D plus 2D. And let's get a common denominator of 3. Wait, I don't want to do that. I want to do it like this. So D plus, that's D over 3, plus, what am I doing? The common denominator is 3. I'm not sure if I said that or not. I know I wrote down a D. So this is D over 3. We've already got it, and we want this to be over 3. So this is D over 1. I need to multiply the top and bottom by 3. So that gives me 3D. And this is over 1. I need to multiply top and bottom by 3. And that gives me 6D. So add those D's together, and you get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10D, or 10/3 D. Now, is that one of my answers? Yes, C.